If you are currently under the stress of affording your mortgage payment, or you know somebody who is, good news, there's still time to get help. For homeowners experiencing financial hardship this year, the CARES Act provides mortgage payment deferral options, creating much needed relief in these challenging times. It's important, however, to understand how forbearance works. They don't reach out to you. You need to take action now and apply for the program before these options expire. So stick around and find out how. What's up, everybody? I'm Joey Rockenstein, and this is Rockin' Real Estate LA, the channel helping first-time homebuyers get results that rock. The Coronavirus Aid, Relief, and Economic Security, or CARES Act, is available to help you out if you are struggling to get your mortgage paid and if you want to avoid foreclosures on your home. And you should be avoiding foreclosures on your home. If this is you, you are not alone. And we all hate to admit when we need to ask for help, it can be demoralizing, agonizing, and any other word that ends with izing. But it was created for a reason, to help. A study by the Urban Institute determined approximately 400,000 homeowners who became delinquent after the pandemic began have foregone forbearance and become delinquent. These borrowers may not have known that they were eligible for forbearance. Thankfully, there's still time to apply for forbearance, even if you're just learning about it right now in this video. Doing so may be the game changer you need to stay in your home when you need it the most. Mike Frattoni, Senior Vice President and Chief Economic Advisor at the Mortgage Bankers Association, NBA, explained the increase in new forbearance requests may be the result of additional outreach to homeowners who had previously not taken advantage of forbearance opportunities. That's good to know. Again, you need to reach out. And if you need to apply for forbearance but not sure about the process, stay till the end of this video. I'm going to give you 5 simple steps you'll need to cover to know how to apply for forbearance and what you need to do. And if you want to learn more about the forbearance programs that are available, check out this card above check out a card above here for another video that I did on forbearance. Number 1, find the contact information for your server. Look at your mortgage statement to find the phone number for your servicer of the company you send your money to pay your mortgage every month. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau encourages you to use the number that's on that statement to avoid scams. Now, this is extremely important because there are a lot of scammers out there right now who want to take advantage of people during this pandemic. Number 2, call your servicer. Now, this might seem obvious, but again, remember, it's so hard to ask for help, and this is a big step in that process. So get that service number off that statement and then call your service provider. Explain your situation to your service so they can determine your best course of action that you need to take. And make sure you ask questions about the entire process of applying for forbearance so you have a clear understanding of what you need to do. And this is also not the time to withhold information about your financial situation. Your financial servicer is there to service your finances. I cannot stress that enough. They're there to help you. So maybe they can also give you some advice of like how to, maybe you can better budget your needs for the month, or also to kind of like steer you in the right direction that you need to go with your finances, as well as applying for forbearance. Number 3, ask if you're eligible for protection under the CARES Act. The CARES Act protects homeowners with federally backed loans, FHA, VA, USDA, not the meat. Hi, yes, I'd like to know about the USDA. No, loan? No, the ribeye. Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. And also, in addition, some private servicers also provide forbearance options, so look into those. Number 4, ask what happens when your forbearance period ends. Now, depending upon the plan that is available to you, there are different options you may want to consider. Your service provider will give you a better understanding of what's available. Number 5, ask your lender to provide the agreement in writing. So important, especially with things in real estate. You got to get these things written out in a contract, and to have a written agreement will allow you to know exactly the type of program that you are agreeing to. It also helps make sure that the things that you talk to your lender about on the phone or at your meeting fall in line with the things that are on the contracts. You want to make sure that things line up. Everything that you talked about in your meeting that you are agreeing to should be in the written agreement. So make sure that they both add up, and that way you can feel secure about the decision that you're making, which is a good one because you don't want to foreclose on your home. Help is out there for homeowners in need, but it's important that you apply for this benefit now while it's still available. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau says, don't wait. Forbearance is not automatic. It must be requested. They're not going to call you up on the phone. Hey, y'all want some forbearance? No, that's not going to happen, and they probably aren't going to talk like that either, but you can get lucky. So reach out to your mortgage provider today so you can get the assistance you need to protect the hard-earned investment you made in your home. Or if you would like more info, drop me a comment below and I will happily refer you guys to a great mortgage consultant who is affiliated with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, California Properties, the brokerage where I currently hang my license at. It is great. I will also put her info in the description below for this video. You can reach out to her. She's great. She'd be more than happy to help you guys out. So if you got value from this video, do me a favor, guys. Can you give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down? Either one. I just need to get some traction on YouTube. Help me out there. And also subscribe so you know when all these great, informative, and sometimes funny videos come online. I'm Joey Rockenstein. This is Rockin' Real Estate LA. Results that rock.